easygoing, but yet it's very glamorous. You can carry out with your any yellow and pink outfit. So I hope you're gonna love it. So keep on watching.
Make sure that you start your face in a clean canvas. So I have already prepped my face and now I will be applying a moisturizer. So I am using Plum E-Luminous Moisturizing Cream. After that, I am using Lakme Blur Primer. So the primer will help down to minimize my pores. So next I am using Maybelline's foundation. And it is a long lasting foundation and it will give you full coverage. So next I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I am in the shade medium. I am applying this concealer on the lids of my eyes and also the corners of my cheeks. After that I am using my fingers to blend the concealer. The next I will be using a loose powder to set my face. And next I am using a lip balm because it's very important to moisturize your lip. And next I am using a L'Oreal bronzer. So as you can see that my face is looking little bright and it's looking little flat. So the bronzer will give you a little shadow effect and will also make your nose little slimmer. So next I am using a Swiss Beauty blush and highlighter palette. For my blush I am using a little oranges coral color. After that, using same palette I will be highlighting my nose, my ear bone as well as cheekbone. So today I will doing my eyes with a brow pomade. I love to use brow pomade because it gives that sharp eyebrow look. After I'm done with my eyebrows, I will be spooling out the product so that my eyebrows look little sharp. After that, I will go straight away with my eyeshadow. For my crease line, I am using a light orange shade and make sure that you blend the colors properly. After that, on the outer corner of my eyes, I will be taking a darker orange color and will be blending the both of the colors. For my cut crease, I am using a concealer. Make sure that your cut crease is cleaner. On the end of my cut crease, where my cut crease ended, so there I will be adding a sparkle color, a golden sparkle color, and I will be dabbing there. After that, I will be taking a yellow color and will be putting it in the inner corner of my eyes. After that, you make sure that your yellow color as well as sparkle color blends out evenly. It does not pop out like a patch of colors. The same thing I will be repeating on the lower lash line. So the next time using a eyeliner, I will not have a bold line look, but I will like to keep it very soft because I want key focus to go on my the eyeshadow, not on the eyeliner. And at the end I will be tight lining the waterline. So next I am topping up with plum lipstick and it is from My Glam.
This look as much as I love doing it. So if you enjoy my look, don't forget to hit the like button and do share and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to press the notification bell so that you get notified when I post a videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.